Okay, quick little video here to show how to deal with a persistent 08 error on your display. So the first thing to check is damage to this motor cable here. So the best way to check that is to fold the back of the bike like this. And then this loop of cable here, just have a look on this side, so the side that's facing closest to the chain is free of damage. If there is any damage, that's where we'd expect to see it. Okay, so if there's no damage to the cable, the next thing to check is the connectors. So this connector here under the top tube is inside the braiding. So the best way to try and reconnect this is to push the two ends together. You can see there's the female side there, it's a little bit bigger, and the male side there. You push them together and then wiggle it side to side like that. And that should make a nice connection. And then the other connector is down by the motor itself. Here, and this one's a little bit easier to check because you can see the arrows there. So I'm just going to make sure that's well seated there as well.